local industry. And to all the visitors from overseas who are tuning in this morning, we say Mbulvanaka and welcome to Ouch Palangiso.
Very good morning to you all tuning in this morning. This fine and fantastic morning.
Fantastic top fan of the Facebook page of VTFM. We welcome you.
Yes.
We welcome the weather too this morning.
Yes.
The weather now, if we study the weather from the previous year we went past through,
Yes.
till now, should be hottest.
Yes.
Sanangonango na biyang bagsaw santandun may kata-kata. Now still on the season of coldness.
Now it's like it's like tricking us, eh? Even if the sun is there, is shining. But still we feel cold.
Every time we had the season of cyclone is come. When the season of cyclone is coming, that's where the weather is start to evolve into a temperature of the 30 degrees Celsius of the hotness. Sa tingin mo may kata-kata may? Now we can feel it's like a delay system.
Right.
Because the weather pattern is
playing
changing,
up.
right?
The weather pattern is playing up.
It's like using a phone that's freezing in the touchscreen method.
Dito sa rabi so siguro nang ngonong ko sa kirika nang kita mga whichever season we are facing, we should acclimatize to it to adjust to according to the weather. Meron to sa kira ng bula and being on kaya sar.
What about if we don't have the weather?
If there's no weather, there's no climate.
Right. And there is no climate?
There's no change.
There's
no climate change.
And there's no people. Because the weather too, they play a major role in our lives.
Yes.
In the process of photosynthesis for the plants. Without the plant, without us, because we breathe oxygen that give a plant.
That's true.
That's how the process. If you cut a plant, think before you cut.
Yes.
Right.
Baka sa mabaruan ng meron ng muso.
So na wangele sa tutor kini na wekada na bito kad bulmay. Na signi sudungo na bagtawasi na ridir talangan ulbenda ni rabako sulbotonga. Ka na bulikaw fakotbea.
Right.
Mga madaltan sigo demsen na matakabi na kanito.
Okay. Good morning to the lawalango. Mengena ni mga kira to all the wale ni lotu niya undingi. Santa, ni Santa, Santo. Iosefo nawati Maria, liuliu sekta Elia Moy, buge-buge ni Sousol, o Maririno, o Sarogas, Ortona Boisingo, Petero, Dionisio, Alipos, o Brada Gina, Sio Brada Ngena, Michaeli, keraw na Junior Iwane, Teteningo Iosefo Mbele, and also to Waisina Rusa, all the way from Australia.
Good morning.
We were talking about the sleepwalking.
Yes.
Elano,
yes.
Iko ngitukulot siguro nindo na orto na mababalik tanggalin mo.
Right.
Yata ba sa nortumbula sa rangaya when they
are young? It's like they are what? Sickness. Every day. Every night.
Right.
Nabimbong ito do kaniro tondo made. They sleepwalk. So kebaka mertole siwa. During the daytime. At night they will also wake up in the middle of the night. Erto sana tete waita tu baka merto sasiwa sartu nga. Ngondur sartu nga laman ni bale. Birna siwa Andre. Pull.
Ona mo tiko ibe. O tango siwa tiko.
Senga erto nangone.
Oi so.
Erto nangone baka menorto mati chiko nangone. Sing madalang ko nirto sambang korto sandu ingas ni bulitu. Basta aman indelay ingas ni bulitu ko may mode and ayatul hau.
Kembali siwa sa lain takat suika.
Kay basta ilay turang rua chiko sar may Vivia. Vivia High School. Larong kas ni buluro ron nantaw tetewa ingo.
Iyo. Sarota mimbitiro na matan ito yan.
If they watch movie, grabe makailiw ka na to saber na liba before electricity.
There was a generator.
Yes, generator. So in the village, only 1-2 houses they have generator.
Right, we go
and
there.
That house, yes. 50 cents entry fee.
Di ba rumbuka?
Wala ba ito na club game?
Meron ni bibo kami.
Wala sa bensin.
Right.
Yeah, so everyone there. Nayalolo na mga sarabi. Kasi ayalal ni biba na. When they go back home and sleep, we will hear in the middle of the night.
3 o'clock in the morning. Hold on, Nelano. Dems? I don't know mo padala. Kamera na puna ero di bakina oro na vitavini.
Because sometimes our minds carry our weight. So kama nga makasama ko tatunay ngonta.
Right.
Because this is where life is saturated.
Yeah.
At head of your body.
Yeah.
Berarti kau nahulu.
Yeah.
Nahulu is the head of your body.
Yeah.
Without a proper head,
Everything will be bad.
Everything will be artificial.
artificially.
That's artificial intelligence.
Okay, without a proper head,
Yes.
things will be abnormal.
Yeah, abnormal
Yeah.
will be undefined.
Yeah.
And will sometime
Yeah.
we won't able to operate.
Huh?
Able to operate.
Shut down.
Yeah, will becoming a freezing momentum method of artificial.
Right.
Come.
Okay. Ya, nata mana pun ikaw na namin kinibaya.
Myself,
Yeah.
I already sleepwalk too.
Uy.
The only thing that stopped me is the lalangs.
Uy.
Lalanga.
Right.
And the head is
Yeah.
on the lalang.
Right.
So that's where I stop. And they ask me, where you go?
Yeah.
I'm Jao.
No,
Oh.
I'm just testing my head.
No.
Oh, yeah, no, Numa, while they went to watch the video game, share the video,
Yeah.
while they were back home, sleeping, didn't know some more too, the mind still waking up,
Yes.
still active.
Ah.
Eh?
Yes.
Ano go right?
Very active.
Yeah, very active. Didn't know some more chico.
Right.
Nanoto baka sama sa tos tunga.
Yeah.
Sa lam sa nga panabibana.
All right.
Ano nung baka sama? Okay, yan na sleepwalk. Okay. Toro bitalo tong mo items na imbalimbali sa na vi matanggal style di mode.
Right.
Okay. Mo matal tango na log. Log mo baka na tututok. Dapat dikin imbalimbali matanggal na mode ya.
Na logom.
Log.
Log.
Iya.
Log.
Baka mo baka na tutubong tabo tu.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
when you see the L.
Yeah.
The L2 is on the side.
Okay, see.
Yes.
Go. The log is this one.
Uy,
Yeah.
munta pa doon.
Ayo. Dapat na tutu dono.
Yeah, pa doon. That's when you reflect yourself through the wall.
Uy.
Even though the wall is not talking.
Self-reflection.
Yeah.
Self-reflection on the walls.
Right,
Using the concave mirror.
Right.
You see you in a deeper saturated.
Right.
Already continue it's a concave.
Yeah.
You are blurring.
Wana na. Okay. Ito na iyan na. Iyan na go bato ko rin. Baka may pato ko na mulok rin. Okay, wango go. Na iyan na go. Go. Baka mo ngandre mo to na mulok.
Yeah.
Explain, please.
Iyan na.
Iyan na.
It's like when there is empty stomach,
Yes.
you sleep without
Yes.
food,
Yeah.
and you are like you curve your body.
Yeah.
You
Oh.
curve your body to saturate, especially to single people.
Yeah.
And especially when it's cold, the weather, eh?
Yeah, cold weather,
Yeah.
it's especially to the single people.
Oh.
They don't have a partner.
Yes.
They have the blanket and the pillow.
Yeah.
They blanket themselves.
Uh-huh.
Soldier.
Soldier
Ano
ko,
be mate mode tu?
mother to yan ratu.
Mate da kitu bang ko rin. Aba tungo. Iyo. Mate da ba?
This are kind of sleeping.
Yeah.
Where is you sleep in peace.
Wana na.
You relax.
No.
Ikaw tapos rin gitu.
Siya nga.
And you are thinking of your proper program in front of you.
Right.
Some of the occasion will be coming. The tebu-tebu, na soli, na
Yeah.
ni mataka. You are thinking of what is coming tomorrow. That kind of sleep is occurring.
Free fall lah. Baka na parachute pa bingo. Mo ba tungo? Gay mode tu.
This is the kind of sleep when you are alone in your home.
Free fall.
Free fall.
Okay, wana
You
na.
parachute yourself inside the bed.
Right. Napimasa ni free fall na starfish. Mo mode bango? Mo ba tungo?
Oh, sa pagkakabadi labis na ko live. A different kind of sleeping. That's why we have to know the proper angle of sleeping.
Iya.
How do you sleep, Messi? How do you sleep?
Myself, I sleep.
Starfish or free faller or log?
Myself,
Logbook.
get sleep. Get sleep. I lock ang nalingan ko. I lock my hand.
Iya.
Yes.
I put it to my chest. I cross my leg.
Oh.
I heads up.
Don't know what you're na starfish. Starfish ko baka montanis tu. Baka tigir na ko nir
Oh,
dolis
ayun
mo
naman
dito.
You like
Iyo.
buto baskeli.
Iya, siya na mo pa tungo. Baka montanis tu, starfish.
Okay, starfish.
Iya.
When you see a starfish, it consists of 3 legs.
Iya.
The star.
Right.
One on top, one on the side, one on the side.
Yeah.
There are 5.
Yes, 5.
That's why they call it the star, because we are 5.
Yes.
We have our 2 legs.
Iya.
Plus our our 2 legs. It's 4. It's 4.
2 hands and 2 legs.
2 hands.
Yeah.
2 hands, 2 legs, then 4. And we are trying to
you
get
said
another
we have
one.
4 legs.
No. 1, 2, another 2,
Yes.
the leg, and then the fifth one is the head.
Right.
Yeah. The head is where consists of 5. That's like we see the starfish. When we come in the night, we see people sleeping in the starfish carry on. They start to stick come.
Iya, ante messi ngono ndo mo kira konto mix take tolu. Starfish kona lock, bata kena freedom.
The freedom of speech is coming from the freedom of sleep. Ya, matagali mode-mode ya. Karena kayak gini kira sering kon malu muto beda bokura. Na doko kinalawa.